What's up, workers? What's up, viewers? If you're new over here, please consider subscribing to this channel so you don't miss a content. This young lady, only known as Shantel, was shot and killed earlier today in Mandeville. So we are hearing this was a murder-suicide involved a licensed firearm holder who was said to be involved in a intimate relationship with this young lady. The young man, who is said to be a supervisor at McMaster, where they both worked, is Audrey Bramfield. He is said to be married to another worker at McMaster, with who he had a daughter.
Clockwork TV.